Hey there, my friends. Kirkshan's 𝐸𝐼𝐺𝐼 here. So excited to make this video today. I wanted to come and talk about starting over and rebuilding your business from scratch. Now, here's the thing. Some of you have watched me build businesses over the years, and I'm starting over from scratch. If you haven't noticed, I've been really almost absent from social media for over the last year and pretty much all my platforms. I just, my roles have changed in life. I'm a caretaker. Just some things happened with COVID, and I just took an entire break from social media with no questions asked. I didn't ask for forgiveness. I just did it. So that said, and it was well needed. So that said, I am rebuilding my social media presence on social media. And I just wanted to let you know what I'm using to rebuild it. Especially, I hope that this can inspire those of you who are looking to build your business from scratch and want to know how to do it. I'm going to share with you what I'm using. So what I'm going to be using is the formula that is in Infinity Processing System. It's actually a 3-step formula known as the VIP formula that is given in the training back office, where they, this is the formula that 6-figure earners are using, that I have used in the past, and you're going to see me use it to rebuild my business and my audience and my influence from scratch, right? Because all my algorithms have died, right? My algorithm on Facebook has died. My algorithm on YouTube has died. So it doesn't matter that I have 1,000 followers. If YouTube isn't showing my content to other people, I have to rebuild my audience, which means I'm starting over from scratch, and you can do it too from scratch. So what I'm gonna do is hop over into my computer, and I'm gonna show you some results that our members have been getting using this 3-step process of using the VIP formula and posting ads on social media. I'm gonna hop over and show you that. So let's hop right over there. So I am here in my payment processor, and I have made at this point well over almost $5,000 in $300 commissions from this through this payment processor and another payment processor. So just want to show my proof. So I am inside the members area where you get training from a multiple 6-figure earner who shares her secrets on attraction marketing and exactly step by step how she uses marketing to be able to grow on social media. So some of the things that you're going to have access to are the pre-written ads, which are here, and you get ad copy. You can use these straight out of the gate to be able to grow on social media. Let me actually get over there. So these are like some of the pre-written ads that you have access to, and they even have image ads at the bottom that you can use on social media to immediately start getting attraction, leads, and sales on social media with this product. Okay, so those are the pre-written ads. I'm gonna scroll back up. Give me 1 second. It's taking me a little bit longer than what I thought. And with that, you're also gonna get access to essentially these are mini courses on how to market on different platforms, and you can pick what platform you want to be on, whether it be Facebook, whether you want to be on YouTube or TikTok, so on and so forth. The other things you get access to is right here. You're gonna scroll up. You're gonna know exactly what to say when people ask you for information. You're given a closing script. You're given a step-by-step blueprint, a 7-day action plan for success. Okay, and you're given some other high-level training on how to automate your business and how to set up a funnel, which helps you kind of have more passive leads and sales once you set that up. So this is what you get access to. If you had to pay for all of these courses separately, you would pay a lot of money, but you get all of that included in Infinity Processing System. So I wanted to show you some additional members that are getting results using this 3-step system and the pre-written ads. And here we have James, and he's mentioning about the system, keeping it simple, get started, post the pre-written ads. And he is showing his multiple payments, just like you saw mine, using the strategies that are in IPS. Here we have another member, and on this day they got 2 pro level sales. If you don't know what a pro level membership is, that's $300. He got 2 of them, which means he made $600. And again, these members are getting it by applying the strategies that are in the IPS training system. Here we have another member made $300 sale. Shout out to our member who got another $300 sale. So again, these people are getting it by applying the strategies that are in the Infinity Processing System training platform. If you're ready to get started, you're going to come to a page that looks like this, where you can learn all about the training platform and how you can get access to our $300 blueprint. And that's it. So link will be beneath this video. Thanks for watching. I'll see you in the next one.